guys, this is my practice routine that I usually use. Also not playing the greatest round of golf, as if you could see on the previous video, I didn't play my best. But yeah, this is my practice routine that I usually do to just get my edges better, just shape up a little bit and get back into it. So you guys can use this usually works well. So see you guys on the course. Hey guys, you'll never guess what happened. I met one of the pro golfers. He's actually from Stilbaai. His name is Mens Germes. I'll show you the photo next. But he's a wonderful lad. He's a great golfer. But hopefully one day we'll see him winning the PGA Tour. He's a pro golfer. He is an excellent man.